Hello, I'm Matt Hogg, co-founder at Geogen Technologies, and we're taking old wells to make new energy. These are end-of-life oil wells, currently liabilities transforming into geothermal assets. To do this, we needed a new model for geothermal based on kilowatts rather than megawatts. To make it profitable, we needed a technical breakthrough. We developed the Geogen cycle, a new thermodynamic process. From a high level, other geothermal is steam on surface making power. We use the liquid flowing down the well, much like a hydro dam, to generate power 8,000 feet below ground. The geothermal heat then vaporizes that fluid, causing it to return to surface, where it condenses and the cycle repeats. The impact is the well liability is deferred indefinitely, and it produces renewable baseload electricity with an LCOE target of 6 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, these old wells are everywhere. Take Huntington Beach in the 1920s. There are hundreds of communities across North America today just like this. And with Geogen, they represent the biggest untapped opportunity in energy transition investing. Trillions of dollars have been spent drilling millions of wells, and now we have to spend $300 billion cleaning them up. A single horizontal well can cost $150,000 to clean up, but with Geogen, it cash flows $150,000 per year. It does so by generating renewable baseload electricity. This complements wind and solar and competes with energy storage. Geothermal has never properly scaled, but Geogen is its best chance. We are able to alleviate any need for drilling. There's no exploration. Our projects are predictable, and now they're investable. Best part is our customers love it. We're deferring their wellbore liability, we're lowering their emissions, and increasing their netback per BOE. Again, this is different than other geothermal. The power is generated downhole and sent to surface via a wire. But the first thing we do with an old well is seal it shut. It's a closed loop system. We then create two flowing channels, one up and one down, to circulate a refrigerant. This boils at the bottom and condenses on surface. The takeaway is that our design allows geothermal to be profitable where it never has been before. Each well produces 100 to 150 kilowatts of electricity, but there have been so many wells drilled, we're talking about gigawatts of electricity potential that can offset tens of millions of tons of CO2 annually. We're starting with the hottest wells first, but no well is safe. I just want to be clear, we are not taking over the wells. We sell geothermal conversions. The well owner gets electricity and carbon offsets, and we get paid on every install. By 2026, we will have the capacity to convert 100 wells per year, and by 2030, targeting 500 wells per year. We already have one well. It belongs to our partner, Spartan Delta. Through our ongoing demonstration project up in Canada, they will retain the well and become a geothermal operator for the first time. We see them as our prototypical client. We are raising our seed round, which will be matched at least 1-to-1 with grants, in order to execute this demonstration project, build out our team as we seek to optimize certain components of our system, and develop our sales pipeline. We're changing the life cycle of a well, transforming liabilities into assets. The result is a decentralized energy resource made up of hundreds of thousands of repurposed wells. If you're interested in being part of our journey, please come find us after. I'd like to thank Rice for having us. Houston is the perfect place for this technology to flourish, and I'd like to really looking forward to being part of this for a long time. Thank you.